Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install the Microsoft Access ODBC driver. This is essential if you need to connect your Access database to other applications or systems, allowing for seamless data integration and external access to your database information. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. This initial step ensures that your database is ready and accessible before we begin configuring the ODBC driver connection. Once you have your software open along with your data, you're ready to move forward with the installation process. Now, to install the Microsoft Access ODBC driver, hit your Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the search bar where you can type in Administrative Tools. Go ahead and type that in now. From the search results, look for the ODBC Data Sources option. You'll notice there are two versions available, a 32-bit and a 64-bit version. Assuming you have a 64-bit data processing system, which is the standard for most modern computers, double-click on ODBC Data Source 64-bit. This will open up the configuration tool you need for setting up the driver. A new window will appear on your screen. This is the ODBC Data Source Administrator, which is your central hub for managing all database connections on your system. Take a moment to look at the interface, as this is where you'll configure the connection. From the list displayed, select MS Access. This option represents your Microsoft Access database driver. Once you've selected it, click on the Add button. This action initiates the process of adding a new data source connection. After clicking Add, another window will pop up, presenting you with a list of available drivers. From this list, choose Microsoft Access Driver. This is the specific driver that enables ODBC connectivity with your Access database. After selecting it, click on Finish to complete the installation process. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Microsoft Access ODBC driver on your system. This configuration now allows other applications and programs to connect to your Access database through the ODBC interface, expanding your database's functionality and integration capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.